Solway, we are doing lines 535 to 538. Cum subi surgens fluctu nimbosus orion in vada caeca tulit penitusque procacibus austris percundas superante salo perque o perquinvia saxa dispulit huc pauci vestris ad navimus oris. So remember, Leonaeus is speaking here. He's saying, we're not pirates. We are conquered. We come in peace. And now he's going to talk about the storm that drove them there. So he's going to explain where they have come from and why they're on the Libyan shores. When suddenly rainy Orion, there's our subject, Orion, those go together, ad surgens, rising up. This is in fluctu, on a wave, and it's ablative of place, far tells us. So one more time. When suddenly, rainy Orion, rising up, this is a present active participle. The ns, or the ntis, tells you it's present participle. When suddenly, rainy Orion rising up on a wave, tulit, and you got to put in nos here, carried, nos, us, Trojans, in Wada Caeca, to Wada shoals, and it's Caeca Wada, blind shoals, or I guess hidden shoals, and those go together. And very deeply, and you got to go all the way here to the verb, it divided us, and this is Orion divided us, or the storm, the rainy storm. And the reason why we've chosen Orion, incidentally, is because Orion is a constellation that's associated with rainy weather. Okay, so rainy Orion divided us deeply. How did he do that? Procacibus austris, with the south wind storms. Those go together. Ablative, to translate by, with, from, right? And along the waves, and then this is an ablative phrase here. It's ablative absolute, superante salo. And let's just make a note. Ablative absolute with the salt, meaning the salt sea, overpowering, with the overpowering salt sea. Present active participle, and a noun here, both in the ablative case, ablative absolute. A little phrase that explains how they were divided, taken away with the salt overpowering, the salt sea overpowering them. And this Orion, the storm, displaced us, or divided us, along the Invia Saxa, the trackless rocks. Remember, a via is a road. Okay, well, this is an Invia, an unroad, I guess you could say, in the trackless, the roadless rocks. They're all scattered around, and the ships were displaced among these rocks. Huc pauci vestris ad navimus oris. To this place, huc. Remember, huc is to this place, hic is in this place, and hinc is from this place. Huc, to this place, we, you got to put in we again, we few, we pauci, subject, have ad navimus, have swam, and this is a perfect, active, ad navimus, to vestris oris, and this is dative because ad navimus takes the dative, as far tells us, to your shores. This is the plural form of your, vestris oris, to your shores. So let's do this whole thing one more time. When suddenly rainy Orion, or a rainy storm, rising up on a wave, bore us or took us to blind shoals or hidden shoals, hidden shallow places. And very deeply, this rainy storm divided us. You got to put in nos again. Divided us by the Austers storms, or the south winds storms. And it divided us along the waves, with the salt overpowering us, you could put in here. And it divided us along the trackless rocks. To this place, to the Libyan shores, meaning we few have swum to your shores. To here we few have swam to your shores. Wale.